how can you get the software? So first, you need to open your web browser and type in Mendeley desktop. Okay, so in Mendeley desktop you will find this kind of details. You just click here, download Mendeley desktop, and I already click for you. So you will go into the home page of this Mendeley desktop. So what you're going to do is, for Windows you just click here. Okay, so for Mac OS or Linux you can press respectively depending on your operating system. In case for me, I'm using Windows, I'm just click here to download the installer. It is 55 megabytes. So while waiting for it to be downloaded, you can scroll down to see what the features Mendeley offering to. Okay, you can personalize your suggestion. It can help you manage your citation library, like I said previously. You can access your library anywhere. Let's say you have computer at home, and also maybe at school you carry laptop. So these different two devices does not have the same storage. So you can use this software to centralize the library for you, the details. So you can just type the keywords, and then the Mendeley desktop can be used for citation. Okay, you can also connect with a group. Okay, here you can see the other tools, web importer, and also the citation plugin. Okay, this one plugin, this is compulsory if you are using Microsoft Word. You need to plug in the Mendeley desktop into Microsoft Word in order for it to work. So I will talk more on that later after we install the Mendeley desktop. So now it is finished. So just double click it, install, next. This is the usual things to do. Just click next, Mendeley desktop, create shortcut, next. So just wait for it to be installed. Okay, so yeah, run Mendeley desktop. Okay, so first thing you can see here, you need to have Mendeley accounts. Okay, you need to have email and a password that are registered to Mendeley. In case you still didn't have the account, you can press here to register, or in my case I already have the Mendeley accounts. I just put in my details and click sign in. So that's all. I hope this video helped you. So please like, share and subscribe for more for more videos.